Section 4. Leveraging social media platforms.
Advertising your YouTube channel goes beyond just YouTube itself.
Unlock the potential of social media platforms to amplify your reach and build a loyal community.
Create accounts on popular platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, customizing them with your channel branding. Regularly share teasers, previews, behind-the-scenes content, and updates. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, running contests, and collaborating with other content creators in your niche. By utilizing the power of social media, you'll broaden your channel's exposure and attract new viewers organically.
Section 5. Collaborating with influencers and cross-promotion.
One of the most effective ways to advertise your YouTube channel is through collaboration and cross-promotion. By partnering with other influential creators in your niche, you can tap into their established audience and gain mutual exposure. Research and reach out to creators whose content complements yours or whose audience aligns with your target demographic. Propose meaningful collaborations such as guest appearances, interviews, or collaborative projects that add value to both channels. By cross-promoting each other's content, you'll establish credibility, expand your subscriber base, and foster valuable relationships within the YouTube community. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of YouTube channel advertising. Remember that building a successful channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Stay consistent with your content creation, adapt to evolving trends, and continue refining your advertising strategies. With the insights you've gained today, your YouTube channel will be well on its way to new heights of visibility and engagement.
Now, go out there and let your creative passion shine through.
If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content just like this. Also, don't forget to share your success stories or any additional tips you have in the comments section below. Until next time, happy advertising.